So here's my story. It's early morning, it's Father's Day, and I'm out flying FPV drones and having a great time. Everything's going well. Now, normally when I fly FPV drones, I will land the drone in grass because I'm usually flying above grass. But if I'm in a parking lot, I will just slide it along the ground as if it's an aircraft. Come in really low, bring it down low to the ground, shut off the motors, and it just slides along the ground. So this is basically what I was doing here, and this is the way it should work because I had a piece of paved sidewalk beside me, and as you can see here, this is how I normally land. Well, that was flight number 1. But then we get into flight number 2 where everything goes wrong. Check out my forehead. Look at this. Thank you, drone. When the drone hit my big melon, protected by the Fat Shark goggles, it smashed off this piece of plastic, opening that up, and left a big dent right here in the hard plastic. Luckily, my goggles still work, as well as my head. Still functions, somewhat. Yeah, I was actually lucky, and this is what hit me in the head. Look at the size of this thing. This is a drone. This is a 250 size drone. This is what whacked me. It's got a little bit of weight, especially when you add a battery to the top. So, lucky for me, that ended well. Now here's my landing on pavement at normal speed. Watch this. Now you couldn't see much there. Okay, now let's slow that down and see what exactly went wrong. So you can see me on the left here, and I'm coming down to land on the pavement, and basically I should have landed right here, but I get a little bit of a bounce. So I'm gonna turn the drone to the left, and I don't notice that I'm off the actual sidewalk, and I catch the curb. Poof! A prop catches it, and here we go. Now it's out of control. It's just spinning, flying someplace, and it's moving, and you can kind of see my shadow. Oh, it hit something. What did it hit? Well, it hit my forehead. Let's take a look here. So there's my ear. You can see my ear up here, and there's the piece of plastic flying off my Fat Shark goggles. Let's just move that ahead. And there's a piece of plastic right there. Here's my hands down here in the controller as it's flying off my head. And there's the piece of plastic still happening, and plastic still in the air. This thing's flipping around. I'm wondering what the hell just whacked me in the head. And there's the back of my head as it's flying over. So basically what happened is my head acted as a nice little buffer to slow the drone down and allow it to come to a nice soft landing in the grass. So after that crash, I picked up what little pride I had left, drove about 2 minutes over to another field to visit Norm, who was flying one of his very expensive jets, and, well, he wasn't having a good day either. So the moral of this video is, even though you're an experienced pilot and you've been flying for a long time, expect the unexpected at all times. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video.